everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another video. And if my voice sounds a little bit funny, it's because I have a cold and I wanted to wait, but I can't because I really need to get these videos uploaded for you. So sorry about that. I haven't had a cold in 7 years, at least 7 years. So that's crazy that I got one. Anyway, so I'm starting out with these photos here, these 8 photos, and they're pictures of my grandsons at like an awards part of a ninja night that they do at a local like gymnastics gym. I'm going to mount these on this green paper from Doodlebug Petite Prints in Grasshopper Gingham linen, and then I'm cutting those. You'll see I'm kind of trying to figure out if I want to mirror them or what I want to do. So I'm going to take that star paper and that will be the background. That is from Echo Park Play All Day, and it's the Helicopter Trails paper. So I'll use 2 similar blocks here. I did leave a little bit of space on the top of the left side because that's where I'm kind of thinking my title is going to go, and we'll kind of see how that goes as I do this. Otherwise, I left in the other spots, I left a border of about the same size. So I'm just looking at some sticker sheets I have. I have a bunch of sticker sheets with boy themes to them. So I'm kind of looking at those. I'm looking at my all boys sticker book here, and I'm going to stick a couple of things up at the top there that I'm thinking I might use. One being a trophy and a little like little pieces that say adventure, play the game, and a few other things there. And I'll do this frequently where I just look through a book or whatever just to see if I can find a sticker sheet, find some things that work, and then I'll just pop them along the top edge of my mat instead of having to go back and forth through the pages over and over. So I think I ended up putting a lot more on there than I used, but I still did use quite a few of the stickers from this particular collection. Okay, so now I kind of know, and what I've done is I've cut this so that I don't have a border on the left edge on the right page or the right edge on the left page. So it looks like that green block is basically going across the 2 pages there. I do, and I've mentioned this before, my layouts are in a binder ring, so they won't butt up against each other quite this much, but I'm okay with that. You could sew pages together if you wanted to, or staple or other stuff if they're in a binder and you want them to look close, but frankly that gives me a little bit of an advantage if I'm not quite exact. All right, so then I took these star cards, and I'm not sure where these came from. They're meant for 3x4 pocket scrapbooking, but I really like the way they look as kind of a grounding element. So then I added that trophy at the top. I like that Be Brave sticker there at the top there. And these stickers again are from the Echo Park All Boy sticker book. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out like how much of that card do I want to reveal, because I'm thinking I might want to use a piece of it somewhere else, so I'm kind of playing with that a little. And then I decided maybe I don't need to use a piece anywhere else. So I did glue that down. I'm adding some foam tape to back up of the sticker that says "Life is one great adventure with you." And then I'm going to echo this on this other part. And I think it really does a nice job grounding those embellishment clusters. So here is my title coming. So I'm going to call this Ninja Night, and this alpha is from Ellie's Studio. It's the puffy alphabet stickers. They do have a couple of different sizes, but this is in the newer size, which is larger. So I'm just going to call this Ninja Night. And I don't have that trophy You know, I'm not sure exactly where that's going to need to land. I didn't put it down very hard. Okay, so then I'll just move that over. Not quite happy though with how that looks on that left side. And then as I'm looking at this, I'm kind of playing around. There's a "You're a Star" sticker there from that All Boys sticker book, and I'm going to add that in there. Like I said, I'm not quite happy with what's going on the top. So I cut a little bit of that card off. And you'll see how I use that in just a second. Okay, so I have that embellishment cluster down. And here I am going to add a little bit of that card just to the left there. Just at the top, top right page there. And then what I'm trying to decide here is, because I took that trophy off, I didn't like how it stuck up so high. I'm thinking I need to move my title, and if I'm going to do that, I'm going to want it centered. So I'm using my centering ruler there to kind of determine exactly how I want that to look. And I'll do this often where I actually put the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the last word in a 2-word title anyway. Figure out where those go and then space out from that. And it might not be exact, but it's close enough to my eye. Just added in that play the game sticker and then the adventure sticker on the bottoms. And still playing around with that trophy and still not liking it, but I'm thinking it might work out well right here. So I'm going to move this around a little bit until I decide I really like it there. I did let it go off the edge of the page there with one of the handles of the cup. I just cut it off. That's okay. All right, guys, there's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.